Hi, I'm Dan from BirdDog. In this short video, I'll show you how to update your P100 camera to the latest firmware that includes the color matrix tools. The first step you need to do is go to your web browser and download the latest firmware. If you go to the BirdDog website, under the Support tab, you'll find Firmware Updates. Clicking through to this, you'll see all of the BirdDog products. If you scroll down to find the P100 and download the latest firmware here. Now this process takes about 5 minutes and involves 3 steps. If you follow these instructions, you'll be up and running in no time. Step 1 for updating the firmware is to update the core board of the P100. In order to do this, you need to plug a USB printer cable from your computer into the P100. Once you've downloaded and unzipped the firmware file, you'll notice there's 4 files. 3 of these are firmware updates, and the last one is an update tool. The first step in the upgrade process is to upgrade the core board. This is done by going to the USB firmware tool and launching the USB updater. Once launched, you need to select the P100 from the device list. It comes up as UVC camera. Select the firmware update by going to the file that you've downloaded and selecting the P100 core bin file. Press update. This process can take up to 5 minutes, so please be patient and never unplug any cords while this is in process. Once complete, you'll see the OK window appears. Press OK and you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 2 is to copy the hd20.bin file to a USB stick. Just simply drag and drop it to any FAT32 formatted USB. Plug in the USB stick and then power on your P100. The final step is to update the firmware on the BirdDog board within the camera. Simply log into your web interface. Password is BirdDog by default. Navigate to the System menu, System Update, and choose your file. Select the latest firmware package, which ends in .fw, and press Update. This process can take approximately 5 minutes, and please do not power cycle the camera while it's happening. Once the firmware is complete, you will receive a message saying, "Congratulations, your firmware is now updated." The camera will automatically reboot, and you're ready to go. To confirm your camera has been updated correctly, log back into the web user interface and confirm the version number matches what was installed. You will now see under the AV settings some more controls, including the color matrix. Thanks very much for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us either via our website or via social media.